Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the hotels in Jamaica. Now we're going to talk about a new US $100 million resort style development for Montego Bay. This hotel called the Vista, or this resort as they describe it as, is called the Vista. It's going to be located on the Hip Strip in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives you a lot more information on the development and what's going on. But before we go through the article, we just want to give you an update on the hotel industry for that side. They have two massive developments, hotels on the western part of Jamaica. Princess Luxury Resorts is building a 2,000 room hotel in Hanover, and the Hard Rock Cafe, or the Hard Rock Hotel, sorry, is building another 2,000 rooms in Montego Bay. Now Jamaica is going through some serious construction boom. In Kingston, you can name 20 high-rise buildings that are going up. In Ocho Rios, Draxall, another 20 developments going on. The construction industry is booming, and in Montego Bay, it's the same thing. It's everywhere you look, it's not a plaza, if it's not apartments, it's a high-rise building, it's a call center, it's a hotel. So you really have to admire the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Never before in the history of this island has so much construction been going on at any one time. Alright, so the Hip Strip now is the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay. It has a lot of hotels, it has beaches, it has the Harmony Beach Park, it has restaurants, it has Margaritaville, it has Starbucks, it has Burger King. It has a lot to do. It has a lot of tourist stores, what you call them, souvenir stores. So it is a place that's created and built for the tourism industry. It has special security, private security guards that monitor the strip so that everything goes well. You also have a lot of police there. It's working well. The concept of the Hip Strip is working well. So well that they're going to invest $1 billion Jamaican dollars in the Hip Strip to keep developing it. So because of all the project is a joint venture between C&H Property Development Company and Money Masters Real Estate and Infrastructure Investment Limited. The partners have established Vista Montego Bay Resorts Development Limited as a special purpose vehicle for the project. Minister of Tourism, Honorable Edmund Bartlett, in his address at the groundbreaking, commended the developers, both of which are local entities, for investing in the island. There is no happier minister today than me to see a local, homegrown Jamaican rock-bred man and woman investing in tourism at this time. I love to see when Jamaicans invest in our industry, he said. The minister said that Montego Bay is going to be the most significant tourism center in the region over the next 5 years because of the developments that are planned for the city. Half of the projects we are not ready to disclose because we are still working on designs still working on geotechnical feasibility studies, and so on. What I can say to you is that this administration is satisfied that Montego Bay has the potential for transformation into a resort town development, the likes of which does not exist anywhere in the Americas, he noted. Construction of the Vista